And guys, this is a dual blf188xr HF amplifier that I just found a picture for online. It was a Freescale design, so I adapted it from just a photo, but it works very well. So we just have a 1000-watt slug in the bird. KF8OD testing. KF8OD test 1, 2. Hello. So now we'll put it on the ×2 scale, so you got 2000 watts full scale. KF8OD testing. CQ, CQ, CQ. KF8OD test. So it turns out very well. Well, these devices have all but made tubes obsolete for me. Don't be afraid to give it a try.